center. So the first thing to do is to fold over your center bow so that you know where it's halfway. And here we're going to attach the lace. It's not difficult. All you have to do is take a lace strip, rough edges on top of each other, both sides, and we're going to sew it in, and we're going to do exactly the same as we did with the tails. It makes it so easy. Little extra step, but a great result. So we're going to stitch that in exactly the same way that we did before. In this case though, I want the lace to be even slimmer on the side. I just want a tiny bit to peek out, so I'm going over a little bit more and I'm sewing so just the scallop will peep out. The key is to do the same, exactly the same on the other side, of course. And then we've got our stitching line again that will guide us when we just fold it over. And we don't need to go back or iron any of this. All we're going to do now is fold over the other edge. And we're going to sew on top of the line that we have already got. It's so simple. Don't forget to lock in your stitches. We'll do the same on the other side. And that's it. Cut off all your threads. And now I'm going to also trim my seam allowance a little bit so it's easier to turn and it's not so thick on the inside. And now it's a little bit fiddly because we need to get something to stick in here, so you can take a pen or something like that. I use my invisible marker and I'm just pulling my little tie over this, and then as soon as it comes out the top I just grab that end and then I can pull the rest over. Pull out the lace. Don't worry that it's a little bit rough maybe at the beginning because you won't see that. All I have to do now is give that a quick little press and it's done, and we're ready for the next step. See you there.